Hi guys, I am Jeshil and welcome to Green Door Tarot. If you are new to my channel, then please do look into the description to know more about me and my previous videos. I have shared the link in the description. Okay, if you would like to check out my Instagram profile, I have shared the link in the description as well. And if you would like to have a private reading from me, then you can reach out to me via Instagram, or you can also email me on my email ID. I have shared the email ID in the description too. Okay, all right. So today we are doing a reading on what are you currently going through. All right, and I have already got 3 piles over here. We have pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. So guys, please pause, and whichever number attracts you the most, go ahead with that. And there is a possibility that you could be attracted with more than one number, so you can listen to both the readings as well. So once you have made the selection, you can go into the description box to find the timestamps. I have pinned them there, so you can look into the timestamps and directly go into your reading. All right, so just pause the video and select the pile. All right. Hello pile number 1. So all the people, all you guys out there who selected the pile number 1, here is your pile. So before I start the reading, I just want to tell you that if you are new to my channel and if you feel that this reading of mine resonated with your current situation, then please do mention in the comment, and this will help me make more videos. It will be a sort of a motivation for me. And also do subscribe to my channel to get more updates on my upcoming videos. All right, so let's start with your reading. Okay, so what is pile number 1 going through? We have Queen of Wands, the Chariot, 5 of Wands, we have the Death card, 9 of Cups, relax and rejuvenate, and the Wisdom card. All right, so pile number 1, I do see that something has recently ended. Okay, it could be some sort of a battle or some sort of a long-term issue, a long-term problem that was going on for a very long time. I do see that has come to an end, especially with the Death card and the 5 of Wands card over here. I do feel that something has come to an end, and you have been battling against it for a very long time. Okay, so that was a very stressful time for you. It was very hectic, and you guys were going through some really tough time, and I feel that situation was going on for a very long time. Okay, because with the Chariot card, I do feel that you were kind of stuck. Okay, so you were not moving ahead. You felt like you are stuck in that situation. That situation is not going ahead. There is nothing happening into that situation. Nothing is either coming into your favor, or you just kind of felt stuck. All right, so that situation has finally ended. You have been battling against that situation for a very long time. There is a possibility that it could be related to some legal matter, or some competition. Maybe you guys were battling to get a job. There was some hectic competition going on. Maybe some of you were battling to get a project, and it was not coming into your favor. You probably had a lot of competitors, and there was lot of battling going around for that thing. Okay, but that period has finally come to an end. That is for sure. That period has finally come to an end. Okay, and now your current energies are on to the relax and rejuvenate phase. Okay, so because of everything that has happened in the past, all this battling and nothing going ahead, everything being very stagnant, very stuck, finally you feel that your life is moving ahead. You feel quite relaxed. You feel that you need to actually spend more time with yourself, with the nature. Some of you might feel like just going to a resort, enjoying good food, good drinks, just some quality time, like away from all the chaos, all the problems that you guys have been through all this while. Now you guys like want to spend some time alone. You guys want to actually go to a resort and spend some quality time. All right, and especially with the Queen of Wands card over here, I do feel that some of you might also also want to spend go to spa, or take care of, behave like a queenly, embrace your beauty, embrace yourself, take care of yourself. You guys want to do that. Okay, also there is one more thing that highlights over here, is that now that the thing has ended, whatever was going on for a long time and that was stuck, now that it has come to an end, you do feel that your life is now in your control. Okay, you do feel that now the life is going as per your plan. You are the creator, and you are the one who is in complete control of your life now. All right, so this is what I see over here. Now again, there is one thing that highlights over here, is the wisdom card. I do feel that everything that you guys went through, especially with the Five of Wands and the wisdom card, and which is also number 5, and 5 is the number of intelligence, wisdom, intellect. All right, so I do feel that everything that has been through, that you guys have been through, the entire battle, the entire journey of fighting against people, and just striving against a competition, striving to survive and striving to get what you want, you have learned a lot over that journey. Okay, it has been a very learning journey for you. The entire experience has taught you something, and that experience in itself has completely enlightened you. Okay, you do feel that this entire battle that happened over the last 9 months or something, I think it was going on for quite a long time, 5 to 9 months, probably more than that. So all those fights that were going on, everything that was troubling you, everything that was stuck, everything that was creating issues in your life, has taught you something. And finally, now that it has come to an end, there is a new beginning in your life. Okay, there is definitely a new sunrise in your life, and that has happened only after your experience of the journey. The entire journey itself has taught you a lot of things, okay? And your current energies, your current thoughts, your feelings right now is that no matter what happened, i I do feel that everything that has happened has uh, brought out a very different person in me, okay? You feel much more matured, you feel much more wise, because that thing has taught you something, okay? And I don't know why, but currently you're probably feeling that whatever you have been through, you want to help others as well with whatever you have learned in that phase, okay? All that experience or everything that you have learned in that journey, you want to share that knowledge, you want to share that experience with others in order to help them, in order to bring them out from their problems as well. So I think this is probably the entire energies and everything that you're going through right now. It's been a tough journey for you guys, especially with the long term battle and everything being stuck. It's been a tough journey for you guys, but right now you guys are at peace, you guys are feeling much better. And trust me, going forward also I do see that the good times are going to come. You might want to take some time off and go to a resort, uh, spend some time in the nature with yourself, and just relax, rejuvenate, rest, okay? Your current energies are also very strong, especially with the Queen of Wands card over here. I strongly believe that you are in your very action oriented energies, and especially with everything that you have learned from your experience, okay? You want to use that experience in guiding others. And I strongly feel that you have grown a lot. Your current energies show that you have grown a lot as a person, as an outlook towards life, as a personality. You have grown a lot, okay? And you want to use that knowledge, you want to use that energy into guiding others. You want to take break, you want to spend some time with yourself. You also want to like some of you want to actually go out and just enjoy good food, good drinks, just relax out, and also want to use their experience and everything that they have learned in guiding others. So I think this is a very wonderful, very beautiful pile number 1, because not many people actually after their experience really wish to help others as well, but you guys want to do that. So salute to you guys, and beautiful. So guys, if you feel that this reading resonated with your current situation, then please do mention in the comment, and that is it. Okay, bye bye pile number 1. Hello pile number 2. So all those people who selected the pile number 2, here's your reading. Before we start with your reading, I just want to say that if you are new to my channel, then please do look into the description to know a bit more about me, and also do check out my previous readings. I have shared the links in the description. And if you like my reading today, if you think that it resonated with you, then please do subscribe to my channel, okay? So let's start with your reading. All right, so we are trying to know what is pile number 2 currently going through. We have King of Pentacles, 8 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, okay. Judgment, Five of Wands, and Foundation and Achievements, and Destiny. All right, so first let me just tell you guys that we also had Five of Wands in the pile number 1. So if you guys have selected pile number 1 as well, this is a very prominent thing over there too. All right, so for pile number 2, I see some, not some, actually there is a 360-degree change. Okay, there is definitely something that has completely changed. There is a, everything that was stuck has started moving. Everything that was not going ahead, maybe some legal issues, maybe some things that were sort of a barriers in your life, I think they have started moving. Your life has started moving. I think it is, wow, beautiful. I think it is moving towards fortune. Okay, and especially with the King of Pentacles over here, I do feel that there is some sort of a fortune coming for you, because we have Foundation and Achievements, we have King of Pentacles over here. There's so much of fortune coming for you guys. So very interesting. But what stands out in this reading for me is Destiny and Eight of Cups. So now, I don't know, I strongly feel that some of you have just decided to walk away from a relationship. Okay, you probably thought that you have given too much into this relationship and you don't want to be a part of this relationship anymore. You have chosen to walk away. Okay, it was your decision, and I think you have decided this, accepting that whatever destiny has for you, you are ready to take them. You are actually looking forward to the life after this relationship. And I think it is wonderful, because especially with the Judgment card over here, I do feel that you are going to have a great upliftment. Okay, with whatever you are walking away from now, with whatever relation you have decided to walk away from now, you are going towards a very higher upliftment. And this is actually going to be a great fortune for you guys, because accepting that whatever destiny has to offer for you, I think that is the biggest decision you guys have taken over here. And I do feel that this decision of yours is going to result into a great upliftment. Okay, you might probably start investing in your hobbies, your interests. You can also start identifying your interest areas, your hidden secrets. You are going to fly 100%. Walking away from this relationship is only going to benefit you. I can for sure say that. And especially with the Wheel of Fortune over here, this is the sudden change. This is a 360-degree change. This decision of yours to walk away from the relationship, that is going to bring the fortune, and that is definitely going to help you grow higher in your personality. Your personality is going to completely change for sure. That is definitely happening, guys, over here. And again, we have Foundation and Achievement cards, and with Five of Wands over here and King of Pentacles, I do see that some of you guys are going to have are going to invest time in some competition, in some battle. Like, this is not a serious battle. Okay, this is not a serious battle. This is more of a healthy competition, and a very healthy environment. And I don't know, Five of Wands sort of gives me a vibe. It could also be a very playful mode. Okay, especially with the Foundation and Achievement cards and Five of Wands, I do feel that you guys are going to with everything that you achieve, with everything that you have achieved, you are actually going to spend more time with your family. I think I do see that, and this card sort of gives me a vibe that you are going to spend time with your childhood friends, or maybe your cousins, your friends, colony friends, probably, just spending time with them, having fun, enjoying it. Although this is a Five of Wands card, sort of indicates competition, but to me it looks like fun. It looks like you guys are going to have, some of you are actually going to go out and play in the nature. Okay, maybe some activity, some fun part is going to happen. Okay, and your current energies also tell me that there is some great fortune coming for you guys. Okay, with Wheel of Fortune and King of Pentacles, I think you guys are going to ponder. You guys are going to definitely hit a jackpot, and you guys are going to show off. Okay, you guys are like, I have achieved so much, I have won the fortune, and I am like going to show off. You guys are going to do that. Some of you are going to do that. This is a very beautiful pile, guys. I think the energies that I'm getting over here is that some of you are going to hit a jackpot. It could be a promotion, it could be a good increment, it could be winning a lottery, something. Or some of you are just going to show off. Even with this card, Five of Wands, I do get a feeling that some of you are just going to show off in front of your colleagues, like look, I'm so talented, like look, I have got everything. Okay, so some show off thing is going to happen. You are going to be in that mode, and it's not going to be like a serious show off. It's more of a childlike show off. Okay, and you're going to enjoy that. All right, so the energies are quite good. Some of you are going to walk away from a relationship and spend time identifying your hobbies, your interests, and feeling good about yourself. Some of you are just going to hit a jackpot and achieve a lot of success and spend time with your family, friends. And the bottom line over here is that you guys are going to accept, or you guys are probably going to, not probably, you guys have probably reached that level where you have just accepted the things and the situations the way they are. Especially with the Destiny card over here, I do feel that you guys have accepted there is something definitely happening, because Wheel of Fortune is 10, Destiny card is 10. Some fortune is going to come, something is going to change, your life is going to change, your destiny is going to change, and it is actually going to result into something very beautiful. I think either it has changed, or if it hasn't, it is about to change. Okay, all right guys, so this was for pile number 2. If you think this reading resonated with you guys, then please do let me know. You can mention it in the comments, and that is it. Bye bye. Hi, pile number 3. So if you guys have selected the number 3, here is the pile for you guys. And so if you guys are new to my channel, then please do look into the description for my information, like to know more about me, and the previous videos that I've made. You can find their links in the description. And after the reading, if you think my reading resonated with your situation, or everything that you're currently going through, then please do mention in the comments, and this will actually help me or motivate me to make more videos. And also please do subscribe to my channel, and that ways you will actually come to know what all videos I am putting up. All right, so let's start with pile number 3. Let's see what do we have for you guys. 6 of Swords, Queen of Cups, 6 of Wands, 7 of Wands, 3 of Swords, and emotional loss and victory and success. All right, interesting cards. I do see that some cards are like very clearly indicating something, and some of these cards are like there's a clear story over here, guys. Do you see that? All right, so two things definitely stands out over here. One, victory and success. Two, emotional loss. Definitely there is success, especially with Six of Wands, Seven of Wands, and victory and success. I do see that some of you have recently have achieved some success, some victory, probably got a promotion or have got a good increment or a new job offer, something. Some of you might have even got married. Okay, especially with the Six of Wands over here, I feel like as if this is the, you know, marriage procession. You're just going ahead towards the, you know, marriage procession. So yeah, I do feel that some of you guys just got married, or you know, have recently been achieved some success and victory. Okay, especially with this victory and success card, I do feel that you guys are proud of your success. Okay, definitely you guys are definitely proud of your success, and you are actually blowing the trumpet. Okay, you are actually telling the people about your success because you're proud of it. Okay, you've actually worked too hard for it, and you're proud of it, and you're actually telling people about your success, so which is like a great thing. The second thing that stands out here, like I said, is the emotional loss. Some of you, I see that is they are just walking away from a relationship. Okay, there is some emotional pain, there is something that is happening to you guys. I mean, you guys are experiencing some pain in your heart, some emotional loss in your heart, and you guys are not even talking about it with anybody. You are just keeping it to yourself, and trust me, that is frustrating you. Because even over here, Queen of Cups, you're like constantly thinking about it. You're like constantly thinking about something that has, you know, hurt you, something that has bothered you a lot. Okay, and this constant thinking is actually giving you a mental frustration. It's not good, guys. It's definitely not good, because if you guys are going through some pain, going through some sort of a emotional loss, please do reach out to your family members. If not to your friends, talk to them, tell them what you're going through, and you have to stop thinking about it. I think the more you think about it, the more pain you feel, and the more frustrated you get. Okay, some of you, I do see that they might walk away from this pain, you know, probably would like to take a journey, especially with this Six of Swords and Six of Wands card. There is some journey happening over here. Okay, somewhere the journey is in terms of happiness, the other place it's in terms of some sadness. But you guys, some of you are actually traveling. Okay, some of you are actually going to travel for some sort of something on a happier note. Okay, some probably to a different place in points of marriage, or some victory, probably just to travel around. Okay, in a happy note, on a happy note actually. But some of you are actually traveling because they are sad. Okay, I do see that. This is a very contradictory pile, because we have happiness and we have emotional loss. I think you guys know what you have achieved. You guys know what a powerful personality you guys are, and you know your strengths. Okay, you guys know your strengths, but you guys are also going through some pain, and you're not talking about it. This could also mean that this is you inside and this is you outside. Okay, people who see you outside, people feel that you have a great personality. Okay, you have a powerful aura, you have a great personality, and you are a very charming warrior. You are a fighter and you are a victorious person. But deep inside, it's only you who knows the pain. It's only you who knows the trouble, the frustration that you guys are going through. I think people who know you doesn't know this about you because you're not telling them. As you can see it in this card, this guy is just constantly looking at uh, probably the person who's hurt him or something, but he is not speaking up. He's not going to talk about it. He doesn't want to. You guys feel a lot. Okay, I don't know, I get the vibe of a cancers. Are you guys like cancerians or something? Cancerians, Pisces, water sign basically. You guys feel a lot. It could be a scorpion as well. So whatever you guys are feeling is deep within. You guys don't want to talk about it. In your heart, it's like intense pain, intense feeling. Outside, you guys are like, wow, extremely contrasting personality. Like somebody who sees you would never know what you guys are going through. This is like the most beautiful pile. I mean, like the cards are literally talking to me. They're just telling me that this person, strong, strong people, very strong people. Wow. So yeah, this is the energies. This is what pile number 3 is going through. I think they are like strong people. They have recently achieved something. They are like very powerful personalities, but deep within they are going through some pain. They are going through some sort of a loss. They don't want to talk about it, and they're like quite frustrated because of that. So yeah, this was pile number 3, guys. And if you guys feel that this reading resonated with you guys, with your current situation, then please do mention in the comment, and please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye.